Good morning, guys. Today's the day. We're actually going to focus on self-care. We're going to end up with this glam right here. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button for more videos and grab your makeup bag. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and address the inches. Yes, we love them. And we're going to go ahead and get into skin. I've been grabbing my Origins. This is the Ginzing Energy Boosting Treatment Misting Lotion. Love that product to just rehydrate the skin before I go into my Idealist. This is by Estee Lauder. It is a pore minimizing skin refinisher. I use this as a primer and just a all over smoother. Been using this for years and years. Absolutely love that product. The season is here. If you haven't gotten into sunscreen, what are you waiting on? Black Girl Sunscreen SPF of 30. Totally amazing. Gives you a beautiful moisturizer, but it gives you no tacky undertone. Next, we're actually going to grab our RCMA No Color Powder. We're going to dry over those eyebrows to make sure this next product sticks very, very nicely. We're grabbing our NYX Thick It and Stick It. This product, I love it. It's a brow mascara. It's in the shade Rich Auburn. So those of us that are rocking red hues, I love that I can actually find one product that really does work. We're going to carve those eyebrows out using a yellow tone concealer. Blend it all the way out. Sometimes the brows get a little bit too thin. You can always come back in and fill them in after the makeup is pretty much done. All we're doing at this point is actually setting the lid to get ready for the eyeshadow and, you know, basically sketching out where those brows are going to end up once everything is said and done. Yeah, brows are not looking best, but we're going to get to that later. Grabbing my NARS. This is the Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade ARUBA. Notice anything different? It's a CeraVe foundation, so I'm using my fingers just to blend it all in. Don't forget that neck area. Grab you a brush or a sponge and make sure that you buff out any lines of demarcation. Next, I'm grabbing my LANCOME. This is the Tinty Doll Ultra Wear All Over Concealer in the shade 420 Bisque Neutral. Love, love, love this concealer for just like an everyday glam type look. It has the most beautiful foundation like undertone, but it does have a little bit more coverage. Absolutely love it. You can find it at Sephora. Blend it out with a natural hair brush, you guys. It totally makes such a big difference as well. Not using a sponge because that typically makes this concealer a little bit more patchy, so blend it out with a natural brush or natural hair brush. It does really help in the application process. Making a mess with my RCMA No Color Powder, but of course we're going to set this concealer. Love this product because it really does not change the undertone for the product that's underneath it, and it just makes everything stay nice and flat, no flaking or rippling in the middle of the day. Next, I'm actually just going to bronze the contours of my face using this Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Blending that all the way out around the perimeters of my face. And of course, I'm actually going to blend down the neck as well as the nose. Grabbing another Laura Mercier product. This one is the Cosmic Rose Translucent Loose Setting Powder. You guys, I'm actually just sitting everywhere that I bronze, and oh my god, these powders are amazing. Let's get into a little bit of eyeshadow, shall we? This is the Kitty Loves to Scratch palette by Too Faced. I'm obsessed with how small and compact and powerful this eyeshadow palette is, and I think it's so important to make sure that you take time to just create. So that's what I've been getting back into with myself. I can totally tell such a big difference between my eyes as well. I'm adding a little bit of shadow. It doesn't show that they're starting to show as much age as they are right now, but eyeshadow is definitely something I've been getting back into with myself. And of course, once all the powder is done, grabbing a little bit of my MORPHE Continuous Setting Spray, allowing that to dry, and then we're going to come back in and re-powder the face down. It's definitely going to allow the product that we put on, that NARS foundation, to set down very nicely in the humid climate that we have here. And of course, this is the Fenty Beauty Powder. This is the Faux Filter Powder. Love, love, love this powder, and it really does make such a big difference to spray the face, allow it to dry, and come back to repowder it. If you haven't tried that technique, you definitely want to. Grabbing my favorite mascara. This is Essence, probably one of the only drugstore products that I've used in this video, but I do love this mascara because I like to apply mascara before I apply my falsies. These are the Everyday Slay lashes from Lip Tricks, which is my company, www.liptricks.com, to get your hands on them, as well as the matte lipstick I'm about to show you in this shade right here, which is Elevated Nude. It's one of our newest nudes. And then we're actually going to go into the glossy formula using a little bit of Clear Glow, again from my brand Lip Tricks. That's all we have for this video. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.